Evening, folks. Brian here. It's Monday, January 13, 2025. I'm going to try and do this once a night. We're just going to go over everything, what our sun's been doing, what our planet is doing. We're going to start off with our sun. As you can see, we have a large coronal hole opening, developing. I'm not going to do any cleanup editing on this. Not on the video. It's going to be on the picture here. So a fairly large coronal hole, what this does is it releases the faster solar winds, the highly charged particles contained within. So in 1 to 2 days, approximately, this will be directly Earth facing. It will accelerate the background solar wind speed. It will generate a geomagnetic storm in a few days. Take a look at another view, something I just caught here, very interesting. Pay attention to the bottom of the sun. Play it again. There's a large filament eruption. Watch this one right here. Snap off. One more thing to look at. Fairly large sunspot coming in the northeast quadrant, northeast limb. We'll worry about that one later. It's not a concern. Some more here developing. Those will be more Earth-facing, small, no fear porn required here. Let's take a look at our comet. Cool, huh? Jet streams. This is the one thing that concerns me. I'm going to start off with the southern hemisphere. Take a look at snakes and ladders in a minute. This is absolutely not normal. One more thing before we leave here, we're going to check our ocean temperatures. So this expanse here around Australia is continuing. 31.6 degrees Celsius, 31.9. And another area has been increasing in heat over the past few days between Madagascar and Africa. check our SO2. It has been dissipating quite a bit. Most of the southern hemisphere is clear. Congo, India, pollution. China, pollution. Indonesia. This is probably White Island. Vanuatu, this has been ongoing. This is a new one. And continuing up to the Solomons, Papua New Guinea. This is probably Dukono Ibu, Indonesia. So in the wintertime, the northern hemisphere, cold air is heavier than warmer air, keeping the SO2 down at lower levels. There's also a term called atmospheric compression. I'll get into that one at another time. Just a couple more places to check. So Western Coast, British Columbia, Canada. So Canada has at least 199 known volcanoes. This earthquake here, although small, 1.6 magnitude, is at 1 kilometer depth. This is the Garibaldi/Cayley volcanic field. Yes, you heard correct, at least 199 known volcanoes and related features. So in the summer of 2023 are major wildfires. I personally tracked and observed 7 wildfires start at 7 of our volcanic areas with heat indications before the fire breakouts. Okay, we're Garibaldi Lake. I'm going to show you one example. Mount Garibaldi volcano, opal cone, volcanic feature, volcanic cone. The Table volcano, Mount Price volcano, the Black Tusk volcano, these are approximately 70 kilometers out of Vancouver. And many other volcanic features all around. I think, oh, one more thing. So on average of twice or 3 times a week, we have a tsunami buoy that goes in motion in the absence of earthquakes, Gulf of Alaska. I do not believe this is a glitch. This one here. This time, almost a 2-meter rise. Once again, these are anchored to the ocean floor. Any movement of the ocean floor will set off the buoys. This has been ongoing for the past several weeks. Okay, that's it.